So hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about the measures of relative position focusing on z-scores. So what is a z-score? A z-score measures the distance between an observation and the mean, measured in units of standard deviation. So the formula we are going to use is z is equals to value minus mean over standard deviation. And for population, is equals to x, which is the value, minus mean over the standard deviation. And for the sample data is z equals to x minus the mean over the standard deviation. And remember, if the z-score is positive, the positive score is above the mean. If the z-score is 0, the score is the same as the mean. And if the z-score is negative, the score is below the mean. So kung ulitin natin, if the z-score is positive, the score is above the mean. If the z-score is 0, the score is the same as the mean. Okay, parehas lang. And if the z-score is negative, if it is negative, the score is below the mean. So, here are the steps to perform. For example, a dataset has a mean of 212 and a standard deviation of 40. Find the z-score for each of the following. So, first, letter A, x is equals to 200. So our formula is z equals to x minus the mean all over standard deviation. So, 200, which is yun yung x, minus the mean, which is 212 all over 40. So, 200 minus 212 over 40 is negative 0.3. Okay? Since the value is negative, therefore, 200 is below the mean. So, next. So, here in letter B, x is equals to 224 naman. So, 224, yung x natin, minus 212 ulit, which is yung mean natin, over 40, is 0.3. 0.3 naman. So, the value here is positive. Therefore, 224 is above the mean. So, next. So, here in letter C, the x is equals to 300. So ganun ulit, c equals to x minus the mean all over the standard deviation. So, 300 minus 212 over 40 is 2.2. So, positive ulit siya. So, 300 is above the mean. So, lastly, x is equals to 100. So, 100, yung x natin, 100 minus 212, which is yung mean ulit natin, all over 40, our standard deviation is equals to 2.8 or negative 2.8. Negative 2.8. This is negative 2.8, which is negative, so 100 is below the mean.